Good morning. Just a little bit of an update on the 69 Shelby. As you can see, we fitted the doors. The doors are already completely ready to go. They're in primer and fitted just to do the lines for the brand new fender. So as you can see, the door lines are very nice. I must say even nicer than they came from the factory. What we did also is a brand new wheel well. It's the inside and the outer one, because the car had some damage in the past, so it was probably hit here on the fender. But mainly we replaced the both back fenders because of rust. The lower part was quite rusty. That's the only part on the car that was rusty, the back fenders. So if everything lines up good, then we will start to weld. On the left side also the door lines are very nice. We fitted only an outer wheel well here because the inner wheel well was very good. So these are really the only things we're gonna replace. Still a lot of work. We also noticed that there is a bit of damage on the small panel here. It's not rusted, but it has some damage where the bumper is connected. So we're not really out there if we're gonna repair that one or replace it. I was thinking maybe to replace it because on the inside of this panel it has some surface rust. So if we replace it, it would be perfect. The back panel we fitted also, and it's removed now. If any of you guys know a good address to buy new rear lights, let me know. The back panel is good. It has a small crack, but it will be repaired. But the chrome of the back lights is yeah, it's not really good. I will show you. That's the back panel. So I don't know if you can get those rear lenses with the chrome or just the chrome. You still have to figure it out. Also still need a trunk lock with the extension piece. I've seen it somewhere, but I can't remember where. Was it on eBay or with one of the suppliers? I don't know. Just have to look it up. But that's it for the moment. Front fenders are also done, they're fixed. Had some glass fiber cracks, but they're all perfect now. We're still gonna finish them when everything is fitted. But that's it for the moment. Takes a lot of time, the bodywork, but it needs to be perfect. Car needs to be straight, and because this car was never been repainted, that's an unbelievable, very good thing, because what you see is what you get. Okay, I keep you updated, and if you guys know a very good supplier in the United States for these Shelby parts, let me know. Thank you.